Today we are going to be fishing in the neighborhood ponds. We're going to be going new chatterbait versus old chatterbait, and I have my old chatterbait rigged up on my spinning combo, but I have the new one rigged up on my bait casting combo. So I'll catch y'all when we get to the pond. What's up, guys? Just got to the pond, but first we are going to be throwing the newer chatterbait that I have. So it's newer because just got it probably like a year ago, maybe, but it's just not like as bent up or rusted. So we're gonna throw this one first, and it's got literally just like a paddle tail fluke that I stuck on the back of it. Fix that. Right. See, this first pond that we're at is more grassy than the other one. So we'll see. The other pond I usually catch more fish at. So we're gonna, oh, that's just grass. So we're gonna give them like an equal amount of casts in each pond. Oh, I literally landed right on top of a turtle. Oh, there's just a bunch of grass in here. People just be littering. I like how people like get mad whenever like it's like me and my buddies fishing, but they don't get mad whenever people come out here and just litter, just throw trash everywhere. That may be a fish. Like, you got me onion grass? I don't know. This grass. But yeah, you can see like, what I'm talking about. This pond's really, really grassy. But the pond that I'm gonna fish next is literally like right. Literally, you can see it. It's literally on the other side of that hump. Is that more grass? Golly. Trying to get up out of there. But yeah, so I'm not casting back over that way. It's probably like 5 or 6 casts. We'll give them about 10 each, and then if I don't catch anything in this pond, I'm gonna head over to the other pond. But the other pond's usually a little bit better with a chatterbait. I just caught more fish in there. Dude, it's just all a bunch of grass in here. Like, literally, I don't even know if I can get this up out of the water. Never mind. There was a bunch more. I got that little bit off. That was horrible. Take it right out there. Maybe. I don't see any grass. There's some grass. Yeah, I think that's the strategy right there. Just drag it along like the banks. Alright, I'm gonna give this one 2 more casts. And then after that, we're gonna go to the other chatterbait. We got the last cast with this chatterbait. I'm gonna try to keep this video pretty short because I literally posted an 1.5-hour video yesterday of just me and my cousin fishing. But now that it's summertime, we can actually was a bad cast. I'm gonna redo that one. Just so it has like a fair chance to maybe catch a fish on its last cast. Nope, that's just some grass. Alright, well, we're going to put up the newer chatterbait and grab the older one. I think somebody did come in here like yesterday and cut like the banks, so. But we are going to put down the new chatterbait, pick up the old one. I do like the old one just because it has that brush guard. Golly, what is that drag? Are we serious right now? I just snapped my pole. Okay. I literally just snapped my pole. That's not good. Let's get a cast in with it anyway. I don't care. Heck yeah, we finna catch a fish too. Tough. Well, I guess that's the end of that one. Yeah, that sucks. But we're getting one more cast in. See if we can catch a fish. If I catch a fish right here, this would be insane. And nope, well, never mind. This is no longer a new chatterbait versus old chatterbait video. This is a trying to catch a bass on a chatterbait video. But, well, that pole's done for. It's okay, it was a Walmart pole. It wasn't expensive anyway. But, I was literally just trying to see what the drag was set on. And it just snapped. You think I can pull one out of this culvert pipe? Nope. Can't pull one out the culvert pipe, but it's okay. I don't have to catch fish on a certain bait anymore, I guess. It's just grass. Whenever we were over here, that one big fish that Link caught, like that 5-pounder that I posted, he caught it literally right in this corner of this pond. But I caught a nice fish too out of here, but I was just flipping a soft plastic. I thought that was a fish for a second, but maybe not. Well, I guess I was right the first time. I just want money that's calm. Teenage never worry about acne. I ain't never been with a buddy. Come so I added to medicine, but I'm gonna have medicine. I ain't never been with a buddy. So I added to the table. Medicine, but I'm gonna have medicine. Just want money that's calm. There's some brim that I see. Just want money that's calm. Teenage no worry. Just want money that's calm. Teenage never worry about acne. And I ain't never been with a baddie. She comes so I added Madison, but I'm calling her Maddie. Alright, yeah. So I'm going over to the other pond. It's literally right here. I usually catch fish out of here. There is also like a netting on the bottom of this pond, so you can get caught in the netting a lot, which sucks. In this pond, they don't really, like, smash it. They just, like, bite it. Like, nah, they kind of just, like, eat it, and then you, like, feel them on your line. Like, they don't, like, hit it. If you get what I'm saying. You don't, like, feel the bite. They just, like, grab it, and then you feel them pull it. Fish. Oh, yeah. There's a bass, I think. Yeah. It's a nice bass, too. Hey, first bass catch on the GoPro. Oh, he's literally running, like, right at me. He's literally right here. No! Are we dead serious? He literally spit it right here. No way. I jinxed it by saying first bass on the GoPro. Some dog is staring at me right now. No way, bruh. That makes me mad. I should have hooked that a little bit harder. Literally shook it right at the bank. Yep. Got him. No way, bro. That's two. I literally hook set on him, too. Yo, no way, bro. There's no way I miss a third one, bro. Third time's the charm, right? There's no way I backlashed. Golly. I think that was from before. Yeah, I think that was whenever I was reeling in the slack from whenever I missed that bass. That was probably like a 2 or 3 pounder too. These fish are some acrobats. I don't know if I could see them like jumping out the water and stuff, but that's what money that's called. No way I didn't get a bite under there. Yeah, that sucks, bro. Missed 2. I didn't get a bite where I should have. I feel like if I pull it like straight across, like up towards this bank, I should get one. Oh, there's a turtle. It's hot out here. It's probably 80, 85 degrees, maybe. Well, I've hooked 2. I've hooked 2, missed 2. Now there's an ant biting my foot. I'm literally sweating, bro. This is not good. I really wish that I could catch a fish. I just got smashed. And dropped it. Yeah. I just got smashed right there, but I'm, you know, eat it, so I'm pulling it back through there. What the heck? It may just be grass right there, I don't know. Oh, it may just be grass. I guess I just gotta like hook set. I guess. Cause I'm not hooking these fish at all. I mean, I got that one to the bank and then I missed that other one. And there's no way, bro. The only thing I get is me getting 2 bites and then missing both of them. It's the only thing I get to put on the channel. Did find a basketball. Cool, I guess. Bro. Should I throw on a jerk bait? I might throw on a jerk bait. Alright, last cast with a chatterbait. If I don't get a bite, then I'm switching to a jerk bait.